Great Samsung morning! I'm Sunshine. Welcome to the epic standard of smartphones. Introducing the Galaxy S23 Series. Elevate your mobile experience with the enhanced nightography feature, now built on both the front and the rear camera, that allows you to avoid taking blurry subjects even in the dark. Plus, the main camera of the newest Galaxy S23 Ultra is now equipped with a high-resolution 200 megapixel that enables you to capture highly optimized photos and videos that bring spectacular details in every crop. Be productive with the S Pen, built on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Easily jot down your ideas or draw your masterpieces right away, anytime, anywhere. The newest Galaxy S23 series also provides an immersive display and premium design with sophisticated details that makes it a head-turner. With soft and sustainable colors inspired by the natural beauty of earth tones. Outlast your day with the massive battery capacity of the Galaxy S23 series, in harmony with the powerful performance of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, stability of 4nm chipset, and blazing speed of 5G. Be the first to own this epic device. Pre-order now and take advantage of our exciting offers up until the 23rd of February, 2023. When you pre-order the Galaxy S23 128GB model, you will automatically be upgraded to the 256GB variant and pay only 53,990 pesos. But if you prefer the Galaxy S23 256GB model, instead of paying the original SRP, you'll only pay 53,990 pesos. When you pre-order the Galaxy S23 Plus 256GB model, you will automatically be upgraded to the 512GB variant and pay only 68,990 pesos. But if you prefer the Galaxy S23 Plus 512GB model, instead of paying the original SRP, you'll only pay 68,990 pesos. When you pre-order the Galaxy S23 Ultra 256GB model, you will automatically be upgraded to the 512GB variant and pay only 81,990 pesos. But if you prefer the Galaxy S23 Ultra 512GB model, instead of paying the original SRP, you'll only pay 81,990 pesos. Customers who claim their pre-orders starting February 13 to 28, 2023 will receive additional 10,000 mAh Samsung battery pack. You can also take advantage of our perfect workout cross-sell bundle. In every purchase of any of the Galaxy S23 series until the 31st of March, 2023, you can get 50% discount for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and 30% discount for the Galaxy Watch 5 series. Here's more! You can also trade in your old devices to get additional top-up discount up to 13,000 pesos. Awesome, right? Avail our flexible payment scheme for up to 36 months at 0% interest for Citibank credit card holders, while for other major credit cards, 0% is still applied up to 24 months. Pre-order now and share the epic with the Galaxy S23 series. Available in select Samsung stores nationwide and from our official online store. Keep safe, everyone! Once again, I'm Sunshine, leaving you with a great Samsung day.
If you like this video, hit the like button and tap the notification bell to keep you updated with the latest news from Samsung. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, Galaxy UPH. Be updated, not outdated.